Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about how we are going to add the app icon. So let me connect what exactly it is. So let me connect to the Anydesk first, and I will explain the. Okay, my device is online now. Connect, accept, start. You can see that if I go back and check this one, you can see that there is the app icon. You can see previous video we don't have the app icon, so we have the app icon right now. So how we are going to add this? So I will let you know how exactly it should be. So first of all, go to your Android app source main areas. So the app icon is responsible for the this one Ravel. This here we have the this is launcher screen, sorry, MIP XPDI. So we have IC launcher.png, right? And in this one again we have this icon. In this we have this icon. See, all of these we have to add the same icon with the different sizes, correct? So we have added all. Now if you want to change that one, so you need to go to, let's check the Android manifest.xml, where it is written that for the Android icon you are using IC underscore launcher, and for the round icon you are using IC underscore launcher underscore round. So these two things are responsible for the app icon. So IC underscore launcher, you can just create the IC underscore launcher.png and it will automatically pick your logo, right? So I will show you again how where I am going to create it. So here I have created the logo. So let's take an example of download any logo. So I'm going to add any logo online maker. So you can choose any kind of logo for just for uh, logo maker free download. So let's use this one, make your logo. So it's not going to allow you the logo. This is coming. So this is the logo. Okay, so I'm going to crop this using the, let's take a screenshot of this. So I'm going to crop this logo, right? So I have cropped this logo, save, done, done, done. Okay, so I have online tool.app icons where I have create the generate the logo. So here you need to just upload the files. So I have uploaded the files, and just I don't need this one, iPad and iPhone. Generate. So it is generated. So open this tab, extract here, and you can see Android, we have all the list of the files. So let's copy this whole, go to your HTML where my project consists, snapbar, Android app source main res. So just paste it and merge it, replace. So all these things happen. So let's create a build again. So I'm going to create the build, npx react native android build. Okay, so build has been successfully done. So you can see that app is you can see it's opening the app first. So let me close it in the close it, and see, whatever the logo that we have made, it comes to the as the app icon. See, okay. So we have done how we are going to add the app icon in the Android React Native. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. If you like the video, please hit like, and if you have some queries, just write in a comment below. Have a great day.